What up, you guys? Welcome back to Chronic Eats. We got some Chronic Eats tonight. Check that out. So that chicken is a chicken stuffed apple almond is what the package says. So I don't know if there's apples and almonds inside, but I wrapped it up in a couple slices of bacon as well. This sausage I was talking about in my last video. And then got some green peas and some broccoli stalks and broccoli heads. Broccoli, anyway. But, yeah, another well-rounded meal at the Chronic Eats house. Doing it right. Get it right, get it tight. Check it out. There's what we got going inside the chicken. Looking pretty good. That sausage is rocking too. It's not like a Johnsonville that comes in a casing. It's bratwurst actually, is what the package said. This is a local brand. There's a hamburger joint chain around here that uses hamburger from this place. It's the real deal. No casing here, just some bunched up sausage shaped into a sausage. You know what I mean? Packed into a sausage. So good, so real, man. Did it once again. The Chronic Eats home. Alright, thanks for stopping in, you guys. Have a great night. Peace.